Alright guys, so here's the box that we just went through. Here's another box of crackers. These are just a little bit more common. Still DOT ICC, some Super Blast, some Superman packs, some Zebras. These are not, these actually, let me see. These are DOT. But yeah, they're just all red packs, as y'all can see. Here's some Supercharged 16S, Red Lantern. These have stars. Let me see. Sorry, I'm recording with my phone. I got some shitty video, but there's a lot of those packs. Here's some Anchors 16s, DOT. Y'all know the wrap on those crackers. There's a lot of these Anchors. There's just a ton of them. There's all different colors. Oh, let me see. More Anchors. There's Anchors for days. Let me see. Anchors. There's actually probably like a whole aisle of Anchors. So here towards the back, there's Black Cats. DOTs. These are pretty cool. Different color listing on them. So there's yellow. There's all different colors. These are maybe like 20 packs. These are some good shooters. But yeah, that's that. So the last item on this box is some Zebras, ICC logos, and these are green packs, red packs. They're still ICCs. I got a ton of these. So here's some more ICC. These are pink, still with the logos. I got a lot of these as well. All different color wraps. Some more green. Wait. So they go up to here, about half an aisle of those. So then after those, there's some Peacock ICC 16S. They say Peacock on the crackers. I got maybe, let me see, maybe 40 packs of these of the Peacock. There's green. There's more green. There's yellow. There's clear. There's orange. Some red. So there's red. There's red. Green, yellow. There's like 4 different color packs. Oh, and red. So, yeah, red, yellow, green, and orange. Sorry. Yeah, that's it for the Peacocks, and they're all ICC. They all say Peacock on the back. So that's that. That's that box. This is my second box that we've gone through. Here's a small box of candy bar packs. These are DOT Phoenix 350 ladyfingers in here. I have one of those, 2, 3 of those packs. Some Bango, smaller pack, ladyfingers. There's 2 of those. Red Lantern ladyfingers as well. Golden Dragon. These are pretty neat. They all have the fuses on the bottom. And last, for my candy bar packs, it's this one right here. Another Red Lantern DOT. So that's, I really don't have many of those packs, but I'm starting to collect these. I just have way too much stuff to cover, and I'm just going through this so fast. Here's another box. These are all mixed. Link Triad, some Black Cat 8s, sorry, some Boomers 16s. Here's a Red Lantern Lightning, Ladyfinger 40S, ADS Ladyfinger. This one's ICC. This one's double stacked. All these are all Ladyfingers. 40S Black Cat Ladyfinger, Warrior ICC Ladyfinger 40S. Another warrior. I actually have two of those warrior bricks right here. ICC 7/8, different color packs in there. Let me see. More warrior. Baby gorilla 40S, another 40S baby gorilla, some more boomers. Ladyfinger, these are all Ladyfingers right here. Link Triad, another Link Triad Ladyfinger. A Boomer 40S Ladyfinger, Link Triad. Peacock 40S DOT Ladyfingers as well. So yeah, so then we have some Panda 16S. These are daisies, I believe, or Sunburst. There's Pandas, got like 10 packs of those. Black Cats, these have the 50 milligram, but oh well. Pigeon, not that great. Blockbuster 16S. Uzi Bomb 16S. Hot Giraffe, these were the good ones. And those are logos as well. Another Hot Giraffe. Night Raider, some smokes. More of those. Some Mad Rat, Ladyfingers 40S, Mad Rat 16S, M80s, M80 label with the 50 milligram on there. M100 crackers. Let me see. Let me look for something good. Bangles, y'all seen those. Superpower 16S. Some jumping jacks. These are horse brand and these have the stripes on them. So there's, let me see how many. There's a ton of these packs in here. Some are different than others, but I'm just not gonna go through all of them. And I actually opened a brick of these 1-inch Black Cat 20s confettis. These are real good shooters. I have some more bricks of these, but that's why I have so many of these Black Cat packs. So here are the green ones. Then there's white ones. These are really good crackers. Some orange ones. More orange, red, some yellow, and more green. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this video right here because it's already at 9 minutes. And then I'll probably do one more box and we'll call it a night.